Alright, so we're going to do just some quick cleanup with your game. If you're just logging in, just click on to your files and then your game will load. This is still called untitled, which is an issue I want to take care of right now. And the other thing you're going to notice is it doesn't say it's shared yet. So if you're going to need help, and you will as we get into coding it, we're going to click share. And that's super helpful. And then just give it a name. So I'll just call mine Mr. G Race Game. And then I can hit enter. Then the other touch up, we're just going to click see inside. So it brings us back to our game. You'll notice I added a little starting line or finish line lap counter. So if we click on our backdrop, to do that, it's as easy as it looks, guys. I recommend zooming in a little bit when you get ready to do your line. You can put your starting point wherever you want. I would change the fill and outline, whoops, over, and do the same change here. The size of the line is going to be up to you. Maybe a good one is right around 5. And it is just as easy as clicking, putting it exactly where you want it. And if you don't like it, you'd hit the back arrow, and you can just try again until you do like it. And that's how you would do it. I'm obviously not going to use 2, so I get rid of that. But now I have a starting point. You can position your car. It's shared, and you're ready to start getting into the code. Good luck.